Working with circuit design or simulation and got an LVW file. This is a document file from Livewire circuit simulation software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these Livewire document files. Pro tip: for LVW files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. LVW files are document files created by Livewire, a circuit simulation software developed by New Wave Concepts for educational electronics design. They store complete circuit schematics including components, wiring connections, simulation parameters, and analysis settings used in electronics education and prototyping. LVW files use Livewire's proprietary format, storing circuit components, their properties, electrical connections, simulation configurations, and visual layout information. The format preserves complete circuit design state, enabling continued editing, analysis, and simulation across multiple sessions in the Livewire environment. For the LVW file type, Livewire from New Wave Concepts is a trusted and reliable source. The archive size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows offers a limited snapshot, while accurate reading requires the original data handling software. To open this specific format, right-click your LVW file and select Open With. If Livewire is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the key. If the LVW file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. This LVW file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, opening in Livewire. Install Livewire from New Wave Concepts and launch the application. Use File then Open to load the LVW file. The circuit displays in the Livewire workspace with all components, connections, and simulation settings, ready for editing, analysis, and interactive simulation of circuit behavior. Next, exporting schematics. Within Livewire, export circuit schematics to image formats like PNG or BMP for documentation and sharing. Use File then Export. Selecting the desired format, the exported images preserve schematic visualization for inclusion in reports, presentations, or documentation without requiring Livewire installation for viewing. Finally, migrating to other EDA tools. For more advanced circuit design, consider migrating to professional EDA tools like KiCad, Altium Designer, or LT Spice. While direct LVW import is unavailable manually, recreate circuits in the new software using exported schematic images as references. Most EDA tools provide superior simulation and PCB design capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.